Hello and welcome to this portion of the training module. In this module, we will discuss unwrapping our model, one part of the model. Inside of Unfold 3D. So before we start, I'd like to talk a little about how the user interface has been laid out. It's fairly intuitive and easy to recognize. So on the top, we have our loading options, saving, just in general file-based options. Then we have our undo, redo. The progress bar indicates how long a certain process would take. So this could be when we load in assets or when we're unwrapping, in this instance, unfolding a piece of geometry. If the poly count on that piece is if there's a lot of polys on that piece, this could take a while, or it also could take a while if you have a lot of iterations set. Like for me, I've set 4 for the unfolding algorithm, and for the optimization algorithm, I've set 4 as well. These are our selection methods. So these are different ways we can select things. Cutting seams, copying, using constraints, and then support. This is our property bar. So we have all our alignment, transform tools, edge loop parameters, seaming parameters. Then we have some selection options here. So you can select points, faces, edges, or just complete islands, and different ways to control your selection. For example, as you can see, changing the way how we want to select stuff. Okay, and the most important toolbar is this bottom bar here. These are all our unwrapping, packing, layout, visibility, tiles, and everything basically just related to UV mapping your object. And every viewport has this side toolbar. This toolbar is quite nice because it gives us different ways to view our objects in 3D or in the U1 space. So you could have plane shaded, wireframe, shaded with polybars, textured, different texturing options, pivots, and then different viewing options for our geometry. Right, so going back into where this model is right now, as you can see, the entire model is not, if we just do like an unwrap of the whole model itself, we get something like this. And this is not ideal because we have areas that are stretched and are out of proportion. So we'll have to manually do most of this work, or some of it. So in the next lesson, we'll start unwrapping. Okay, see you there.